Good morning, dear students. Now we are going to discuss exercise 11.6 from your book. First question is define the following terms of the circle. First is chord, second is diameter, third is sector, then segment, semicircle, and then circumference. So you have to define all of these terms. So first is chord. As we know, chord is a line segment which joins the endpoints of a circle. Then we have diameter. Diameter is a line segment which passes through the center and join the points on the boundary of the circle. Next is a sector. Sector is the region in the interior of a circle made with the two radii and the arc. So this is known as the sector of the circle. Next is the segment. The chord divides the circular region into two parts called the segments. So the region with the smaller portion is the minor segment and the other is the major segment. Next is the semicircle. As we have discussed already, semicircle which is divided into half, that is known as a semicircle. Next is the circumference of a circle. The perimeter of a circle, or you can say the length of the boundary of the circle, is known as the circumference of the circle. Next, question number 2 is draw a circle of any radius and mark its center, radius, diameter, sector, segment and arc. So you have to draw a circle and then mark these things. So this is a circle. Here I first want to mark the center. O is the center of the circle. Here radius from center to the boundary, this is known as radius. So OA, OC, OB all are the radii. Next is diameter, a chord which is passing through the center. Here AB is the chord which is passing through the center, so AB is the diameter of the circle. Next is a sector. Sector is the region between two radii and the arc. So here OAC is the sector, or you can say OBC is also the sector. Next is an arc. An arc is like this, part of a circle. So AC is the arc, BC is also an arc. Segment. Now if I have the chord PQ, then the smaller portion is the minor segment and the bigger portion of the circle is the major segment. Next, question number 3 is draw a circle of any radius and mark 3 points in its interior, exterior and on the circle. This question we have already discussed in yesterday's homework. Question number 4, draw a circle of any radius and shade its semicircular region. Now this is a circle. Semicircle means a chord which is passing through the center divides the circle into semicircle. So these two are the semicircles. So you can shade any of the region as the semicircle. Fifth question is, in that joining figure, identify. First is center. Now clearly this is the center O. 4 radii. Radii is from center to the boundary. So OA, OB, OC and OD. These are the 4 radii. 4 chords. So AD is the chord, BC is the chord, AB and CD. Although they are diameters, but they are also chords. Points in the circular region. Now in the circular region we have A, D, B, C, F, O, R, Q and P. These are the points. Next is a sector. Sector means the region with the two radii and an arc. So AOC, or you can say ODA, OBC, anyone you can write here. Next is an arc. Clearly AD is an arc, AC is an arc, BC is an arc, BD is an arc. So anyone you can write here. Next question is every diameter of a circle also a chord? Yes, clearly if we say it is a diameter, then clearly we know diameter is a chord also, because it also joins the points on the boundary of the circle. Next is every chord of a circle also diameter? No. Diameter is that chord which passes through the center. So we can have any other chord which is not passing through the center. So we cannot say every diameter is a chord. This is wrong. Next is diameter a part of semicircle? Yes, obviously diameter is a part of semicircle, because if we have a semicircle like this, then this is the diameter which is a part of semicircle. Next is the center a part of circle? Yes, center lies inside the circle, so yes, it is a part of circle. E part, is radius a part of circle? Yes, radius also lies in the circle, so yes, it is a part of circle. Next is find the diameter d of a circle when the radius r is given to be a part 4 centimeter. We know the relation diameter is twice of radius. If radius is 4 centimeter, then diameter is twice of 4, that is 8 centimeter. Similarly, if radius is 5, then diameter is 2 into 5, that is 10 centimeter. And if radius is 7.5 centimeter, then diameter is 2 into 7.5, that is 15 centimeter. Next question is, find the radius of the circle when its diameter is 6 centimeter. Now, you can see diameter is 6, so you want to find radius. We again know the relation. If diameter is twice of radius, then radius is half of diameter. So if diameter is 6, then radius half of 6, that is 3 centimeter. Next, if diameter is 8, then radius is half of it, that is 4 centimeter. If we have diameter 8.5 centimeter, then radius is half of 8.5, that is 4.25 centimeter. Next is Akhila's mother baked a circular cake. She fixed a ribbon around it for decoration. What does the length of ribbon denote? As we already discussed, the length of the circle is known as the circumference. So here also she is using a ribbon to roll around the circular cake. So that length of ribbon is known as the circumference of the circle. Next, question number 8th D part, question number 9th C part, and question number 12th. These are your home assignment for today. Thank you and have a nice day.